Alright, people, aircraft model 185th scale DHL. They only had 3, I think. Hang on, people. 185th. Okay, where am I going to put this on the layout? Maybe I'll have it hanging. There we go. I'll have the airport on the backdrop, and I'll have the plane coming in over the layout, like it's going to land at the airport on the other side of the port, because it's also on the port too. It's part of the port. It's on the other side of the port. Wow. And this is the Steve could tell you. Steve could tell you right off the bat what model this is. Let's see. Of course, Chinese. Chinese. I have to get translator out. Probably talking about a small piece. Oh, hey. There we go. Airplane model of the LED voice control user manual. What? Turn the fuselage belly power switch on. Clap hands or tap the fuselage lightly to the models. The lamp will be light and set as extinguished automatically after 20 seconds. Model cannot keep charged state for a long time. Please pull out the charger plug when the model is full of electricity. Turn off the power switch when the model's transportation are not used. This product belonged to the static simulation models. The corner is sharpness. Some parts are fragility. It's not allowed for children to play as toys. Please keep away from children. Oh, I can't play with it. Okay, I don't want to be breaking anything here. So there's 2. Come on. 2. We got wings. I think it's plastic. Hey, I'm holding a jet airliner engine in my hand with the wing. That's cool. That one came out of the socket. Wow. Power cord. And this is the stand, of course. So you can model it. I'm going to see if I can hang it from the ceiling, like I said. So Steve, 87th PSEP, what model is this? What model is this? Check that out. Okay, hang on, people. It just... It's really not that big. It's probably, what, 1.5 feet? 16, 14 inches? I don't have a... I'll get a tape measure someplace. Alright, like I said, there's like 3 of them. The other one was Lithuanian and, UPS. I don't know why. I think the UPS was one. I don't know why I didn't buy it, but hey, and it was only $130. This thing is heavy too. Oh, that's moving. That's moving. The tail rudder's moving. I mean, they're just... Oh, you can actually see... Wow. You can actually see through. See, look, right there. You can actually see through. Wow, 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 wow. That's going to be... Imagine that. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, I just thought of something. So, and there's the power switch and everything. So when it's fully charged, you unplug it so you don't see the wire. And that's on the bottom, so you definitely don't see it there. So when it's, I could send this to somebody with a 3D printer so they could get exact measurements. And then just 3D print the fuselage from like right here to the back where it starts to slope, or maybe even all the way through. And then you can have actual real fuselage loads for your trains. Ain't that something? That would be cool, wouldn't it? You could probably have it. Wow. Anybody wants to do an airport can just someone buy one and hey, 3D print the whole thing, 3D print everything out, put it together like a model, just like that is. The wings just slip right in there, I think. Since we have a wing out, yep, just slides right in. Yes, that would be, wouldn't that be cool? Just hanging down, flying in. Or sitting at the end of the runway or the tarmac or something. There we go. Now I don't have the landing gear out. I might put the tail wings on backwards. Should they be pointing down or they should be pointing up? 737. I found it on one of the tail wings. It says 737. How cool is that? Wow. I just might have to buy another one. The UPS. Too bad they wouldn't make more. There's only 3 of them, like I said. They made to 85th scale, so it's slightly under, or excuse me, it's slightly bigger. Sorry about that. Slightly bigger than 87th. I mean, what would it be, 2/10? Yeah, I think those should probably go up, shouldn't they? The tail wings. Anyway, be right back. So I reversed them. Does it look better? I think it does. Thought there was something on the screen. Guess not. Well, I don't have no place to display this right now. So I'm going to take it apart and put it back in its box. But ain't that frickin' cool? $129.95, I believe. Although expect to wait, I'm pretty sure like six weeks. I think it came from like it's Altera. It's probably a German company maybe. But ain't that cool?